the significance of today's gathering for you?
Alhamdulillah, this very blessing. This is a blessing man, inshallah. Magtagalog na lang ako ito ay tinatawag namin Eid al-Fitr. It's a fiesta of cleanliness and purification. Kasi yung 30 days na Ramadan, fasting, nagkuhan ng uhaw, hapdi, at saka mga emotion, yun ang gantimpala na ibibigay ng Allah, ng Diyos, na i-clean yung isipan, puso natin, inshallah ta'ala.
How many attendees are expected?
We are expected about 2,500. Yes.
So do you have any message for the wider Cebu community?
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we are very thankful for the Cebu, all the Cebuano, Cebuana, because they are hospitality nila naman sa mga Muslim. Although hindi tanan, pero mas marami ang mga mabubuting tao dito sa Cebuano, sa Cebu.
And how does it feel po na celebrating here in Cebu?
Alhamdulillah, we feel like in our home. Mashallah.
How was Ramadan for you this year?
Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is always in a connection to God and also to the connection to the our community in Muslim and also non-Muslim, because itong Ramadan ito ay tarbiya na tinatawag namin, or isang uri ng prinsipyo or pag-aaral ng ating kaisipan at ating mga gawain na magpakabuting na bilang isang tao.
Thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah.